In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transform your text into lifelike speech using ElevenLabs' latest features. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of creating seamless audio from your text or lyrics, making sure we get the most out of the platform and its powerful capabilities. First things first, you'll need to log in to your ElevenLabs account. If you don't have one, setting up is straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes. Once you're logged in, the next step is to head over to the text-to-speech section. This is where all the magic happens. You'll find a clean and intuitive interface ready to assist you in transforming your words into audio. Now, let's get into the main event. Start by typing in the speech or lyrics you want to generate. Precision here is key, so make sure everything is spelled correctly and formatted the way you like. Whether it's a script for a video or lyrics for a song, it's important to get it just right. For this tutorial, we will be using the V3 version of ElevenLabs text-to-speech. It's designed to deliver the smoothest and most natural-sounding results. Using V3 will ensure that your output sounds as lifelike as possible, which is especially important if you're working on a professional project. Next, you need to select the voice you'd like to use. Version 3 is particularly compatible with certain voices, so it's wise to choose one that's optimized for this version. You'll find a collection of voices that range in tone and character, so listen to a few samples if you need to, and then select the one that best fits your needs. After you've selected your voice, you'll see an option to adjust the stability of the voice. Adjusting stability can affect how consistent the tone and enunciation are, so tailor it to your preference. If you want your audio to maintain a certain pitch or energy level, play around with this setting until you achieve that perfect balance. Finally, we're going to enhance our text with a special touch. At the beginning of your input text, you can choose to add a singing annotation. This is particularly useful if your project involves musical elements or if you want to add a creative flair to the narration. It's a great way to add some personality and emotion to the output, and it can really make your project stand out. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to effortlessly bring your text to life using ElevenLabs' advanced tools. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different voices and settings to discover what works best for you. Enjoy